In this lesson, we will cover validation summary. Suppose we don't have space to display the message. We can use a pop-up to show the validation summary. Now, to know about the pop-up, how to do the pop-up using a container, you have to follow lesson number 102 Power Apps 1000 videos pop-up using container, lesson number 102. So we'll cover that again here. So insert text input, input container. We can put a smaller one. Okay, now the fill of this container, we will use RGB 150 150 150 150 and then the number 0.9. Okay, so border thickness to be 3 and visible. Now this container, okay, we'll put a button also on it. Button, we'll call it OK, and this will be button OK. Okay, then okay, and then we'll also put a label. This label will be color red. And vertical align to be top. V vertical align top. Me and my typing. Oh, somebody subscribed. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're on top. Okay. Now see, note, we want this to be shown only if there is a red in any one of them, if there is an invalidation or an invalid data in any one of these. So if you remember, we have variables for this. Okay, we have variables for this called I have a formula. Let me show you the formula. This is for the container. Okay, the container will be visible. When will it be visible? When the show label, which is the boolean for this one, this is true only when show variable is true. Similarly, show age label is this one, show age label, and this one is similar. This one is show email and show start label and show regular expression. Now there is one more variable which we have added for the container, because we want to show this container only when this submit is clicked. So when on submit is clicked, I'll add this code show a container to be true. Okay, so I will show the container. I will set a variable which will be true when the submit is clicked, and I will set it false when the OK is clicked. So when the OK is clicked, we don't need to keep this container. Okay, so this is okay, this is fine. We can, okay, now we'll rename this to validation summary. Okay, now watch closely. Now this, the text of this. Now if the first error message is to be shown, that is the variable show label, then we take this text from this, from the first label. If the second label is to be shown, the age error is to be shown. That means if variable show age label is true, then we get the text from this. If this is to be shown, if this is not to be shown, we don't take the text. If this is to be shown, we take the text from it. Similarly, we take the text from the date validator and the regular expression validator. So if show age label is true, we get the text from it. Okay, character 13, it is a line break, so it will come to the next line. Let me show you. Text. Okay. Okay, let me run and show. So now we are getting all the errors except for the date one. Let's pick a back date and say okay. Now we are seeing all of the errors. So we are seeing all the messages because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 5 are read. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now if we don't have this space to show, we can just show this pop-up. And then we can put some message, reset, everything will be gone. Let's disappear this one by one. We type AA and submit. The first one is gone. 1, 2, 3, 4 errors are there. Let's take a back date. 1, 2, 3, 4 errors are there. Okay, we put 21. We submit. 3 errors are there. Email. Submit. We see 2 errors. Now we pick a future date. Submit. Only 1 error. And we put a phone number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Submit. Nothing comes. So this is the logic for the validation summary, where you don't need space. You don't need too much space for all this or to show this cross or this. So you can achieve the validation summary using a container.